this is the life. Daniel's not here. I've done all my homework. Time to bless some meadows. Hey, what's that?
Guess what?
Dude, do not interrupt the guy in the middle of meddling.
Come on, man. This is really serious. It's awesome.
Alright, fine. What is it?
I finally modded my Demolisher 2-in-1.
Wow, it took you that many tries? What did you do?
Oh my god. It's because I can't get IMRs these days. eBay is so confusing. With this much power, I can wreck so many people in a Nerf war.
Well, have you considered this? I also have a flywheel gun, and we have established, and the Independent Council of Rangers have established I am more badass than you. So, yeah, there is an Independent Council of Rangers. Don't ask. It's how I know that, you know, he senses things. I have this little thing called fourth wall breaking. It's quite easy, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, but have you ever heard noise like this? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, have you ever heard noise like this? Yeah.
That's weak as F.
Anyway, you know, with the big loud noises, long barrel, you know, shooting loads of things, it kind of seems like you're compensating for something. You know what I mean?
I'm sorry, what? What?
I said that you were compensating for something.
Well, there's only one way to settle this.
Nerf war.
Yeah, just kneel down for a bit.
Hey camera, I don't know if you're recording, but trust, see, I've got my badass sunglasses, got my lucky bracelet, which is turned around the wrong way. Oh my god! Lucky!
One!
Got my lucky bracelet, which is turned around the wrong way. Oh my god! Lucky!
One!
Oh god! I forgot the bracelet! Oh Jesus! I feel like Donald Trump being attacked by a bald eagle! Am I even getting close to hitting you?
Nope.
Oh, for God's sake. Ah! Ah! Oh, shite. What was that? Was that you being a stoop and dropping stuff? Wait a minute. How many rounds are we doing?
2.
2. Alright.
Actually, no, wait, 3. It makes it more interesting.
Yeah.
Best out of 3.
Yep. Ah, don't do that! And you didn't hit me anyway.
Yeah, that's the worst part.
Point blank missile range. I'll hit a moving target. Okay, it is easy to hit a moving target. Besides all the evidence,
3, 2, 1.
there has to be a significant gap between the 3, the 2, and the 1.
Wait! You're probably
Maybe
wondering why the RedNinja suit. It's not because bad guys can't see me bleed. This guy's got the right idea. He wore the blue pants.
I got you! And who has blue on? That's just on and unnatural. It should be a thing. Who puts the blue dye in this shit? Why would you do that? That's just wrong. It's wrong in it. Ow, 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 okay. Ow! Hey, ow!
3, 2, 1. I have a feeling he's somewhere down there, right?
Hey, where's down there?
There he is, down there. Yep. He's right down there.
That's one. That was one.
What?
That was one. I hit. Whoa! Jesus! Whoa! Oh! Right in the teeth!
Huh?
Right in the teeth!
Yeah, I know, right?
And are we going to say that those don't count?
Huh?
Those shots to the face not count?
What?
I thought shots to the face didn't count.
Yes!
And don't go back! Ow! Well... Oh, okay. Oh, what a miss.
I win. I win all the way, bro.
Whee! How am I hating so bad? Alright. My superior has now been decided.
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it,
Sure you can the crap out of like that button, it really helps. And please make sure to check out my channel, Daniel's channel,
and don't bother subscribing to the Legends.
No, because they suck. And anyway, this is the FyreHead and RedNinja signing out. Good night. Alrighty then, love you all. Thank you so much.
See you later. And by the way, between you and me, I am awesome.
And by the way, between you and me, I am also awesome. Just, you know, slightly less good at aiming with Nerf guns. But very awesome nonetheless, trust me. Alright. My superior has now been decided.
Bow down before your RedNinja.
Down to the master.
Okay.
But that's beside the point. Alright, so as you can see there, I lost horribly. I was completely unprepared. Yeah, hopefully that never happens again. Hey, did you guys see that footage of Donald Trump being attacked by a bald eagle? It really showed you, with the symbol of America itself. It's daytime. It's probably about 6 o'clock by now. So yeah. You can't sing!
Okay, he's ready. Josh's blood. Right here. Right here.
Yes, my
right
invisible blood.
Look right here, guys.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
Right here.
Oh, my manhood. Hey, why do you have two mags? It's cheating.
Do you want me to have one mag?
No, I don't care.
Alright, fine.